In this video I'm going to show you how to buy the RLC token, also known as iExec RLC token on Coinbase. So for the first step we will need to have a Coinbase account. If you don't have one yet, sign up through the link in the description and you will get some free Bitcoin for that. After that, log into your account and go to the search bar and search for RLC. Once you have done that, you will find this coin and select it. Now you will be redirected to the token page. As you can see, we have the current market price over here, the price chart and some time frames to select to see what this coin has done in the past. Let's select the monthly time frame. As you can see, it's still going up. For now, we read through the information. You have different options over here, also the white paper and the official website of this project. Beside of that, we have the stats of this coin, and as you can see, there is a market cap, volume, circulating supply and a all-time high. Now we go to the trading options and we will select the buy option, but you can also sell these coins or convert them. And you also can select the order type. For this video we are using the one-time order. That is a single order for the current market price, but you can also set up recurring buy orders, and that will do a automatic purchase on a daily, weekly or monthly base. For now we will select this one and fill in the amount of euros or dollars you would like to spend on this coin. Let's say 1000 euros. Now you can see the coins we are receiving in return for that. After that, select your payment method by clicking on it. Then this list will be opened. If your preferred payment method is not over here, then add a new one by clicking on this button down below. Once you have done that, select the payment method. Always double check the coin you have selected. For this one it is the right one, and then review your order. Now we will be redirected to the order review, and as you can see we are paying a transaction fee to Coinbase. That is basically a fee for using their platform and buying crypto. So if you would like to save yourself a lot of money while trading on Coinbase, then use their Coinbase One subscription. You won't pay any trading fees up to 10k a month. After those 7 days, you will be paying 25 euros a month, but as you can see on one order alone, it is already profitable by using it. Now, if you decided to buy these coins, click on buy now and these coins will be automatically added to my assets on the left side. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!